Alright, hey guys, I need some help with this. I got a problem that I need help to diagnose in my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS. Now right there, if you can hear that, that is, I mean, I don't know what it is. I've got 147,000 miles. That's not on the engine was replaced. It's like 102,000 probably. I've got a check engine light for crankshaft position sensor, but that has never affected it because I've had the car for over a year and it's never done anything until this recently. So I'm gonna go around to the engine bay and see if we can figure out what it is. Now, the engine is pretty dirty. Whoever owned it before me didn't take care of it. But it's down in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see, so I can get this light on it. There's a belt right in there, and it kind of wobbles. I don't know if you can catch that on the camera. I'm trying to get the light on it. It kind of wobbles. I don't know. Also, you know, I know you're supposed to replace the timing belt and water pump every 60,000, and I don't know when it's been replaced, and so that's something I'm trying to work on doing right now. But since I got in the car, I've been taking really good care of it. I mean, I've got Mobile One synthetic in it. It's perfectly clean. It runs good, you know. They took care of the interior, but they didn't take care of the engine, and I've been trying to take care of it as much as possible since I got it. When I first got it, I replaced spark plug wires. I replaced the air filter oil. I'm trying to get the transmission oil changed, and because I don't know how to do that myself. And all of a sudden, this sound came up one day, and I have no idea what it is. I'll give you another listen. Really feels like it's on this passenger side of the engine bay. I don't know what it is. The engine's very dirty back here. It used to have an oil leak, I think. I don't know, it might still have it. So I cleaned off the front right here. That was completely black in the past. So, I don't know, maybe you guys can help me out. And, you know. This is my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS, and I need some help.